Hi guys, today we are gonna to see how to download all paid apps for free. For that, you need to go to Google and type all PC World and click this link. This is the website where all the paid apps such as Photoshop, Filmora, various operating systems and much more for free. Here, in this website, they not only provide downloads but also they tell how to install the software properly. This is the best website I've ever seen in my lifetime. For the link, I'll give in the description menu. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.